Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change candle color in TradingView mobile. So, okay, let's go and do that. Now we need to get to those settings. So where you find that? You will see here at the really bottom right corner where you see this RSI. On the right side I have 70, 60, 50, 40 and 30, these numbers. Right below it you will see this shape. So these are the settings and click on that. Now this pop-up window will show. Now scroll down a little bit to the more settings. Click on that and now scale and lines will pop up. Now what you need to do, just hit here at the top this left arrow that we get back to the settings, and then click this first one symbol. Now here you see these colors, green and red. Now I will change here body. So I will click on the first one and put it in, maybe it doesn't matter really. So I will go with orange, and then the second one will be the green one. Okay. You can also change border lines and wicks. I'm happy with that now, so I will click OK. And as you can see on the chart now how it looks like, it's green and orange. So this is how you can change the color. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.